Good job.
I want to paint into it, Daddy.
Okay, let's get these out of the way so don't get paint on them. There we go.
I want to paint into it.
There you are. Roll up your sleeves so you don't get paint on your sleeves. Pull them up. There you go.
Where is your paintbrush?
Oh, we're going to share one. You could use mine. There you go. Look at that. You're making it really nice.
Father has a lot for you. Do you have a lot for you?
A what?
A lot of paintbrushes?
Yeah, I do have a lot, but we're just going to need one.
Why?
Because no need to dirty 2 or 3 paintbrushes. We should be able to do that whole job with just one brush.
You can move paint and stuff? Did you get more paint and stuff?
Nope, that's all I brought. You got enough on that brush. Go ahead and keep painting it. Get it all over the roof. That's it. Long strokes. How's it look?
It looks good.
Yeah? You think the birds are going to like it?
I gotta paint more of it.
Did you do the other side yet?
Yeah. I did this.
Boy, you like to put it on there thick, huh? Wow, that's really thick, that paint.
I think the birds are gonna like it.
Maybe they'll live in there.
Then maybe they're gonna be happy if they have another bird house.
I bet they would, especially if they're moving out of a smaller house into a bigger house. What do you think they would put in a bigger house?
A lot of bird eggs.
Bird eggs?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great. And then they will have, what will they have after the eggs?
Maybe baby birds.
Baby birds. So they'll have a whole family living there, right?
Yeah. And then they can go get food for the bird house.
They'll get food. Yep. Bring it back.
And they can eat more food and then go get more food.
Wow. How do they go get that food?
They fly.
That's right.
They can eat bugs too.
They eat bugs. Yep. What else do birds eat?
mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes? Thank goodness for that. They can eat all the mosquitoes they want, right? All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off now. We'll keep working on the birdhouse, okay? Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, camera.
Bye to whoever's watching, right? Watching this video. Probably you will watch it someday, right? What are you thinking about? You're thinking about something. What are you thinking about?
Bye, camera.